A very good evening to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine and following all the protocols and guidelines of COVID. So, in this situation, we need to be at home and study hard. So, this is Seema Kumar in front of you, and today I made this video to make you understand this exercise 3D. In this exercise, I will make you understand about the estimate the difference to the nearest 100, how to find the difference. So for that I want to show you one example that is given in your textbook. So see page number 43. Here you can see this question given at the down the page. Estimate the difference 523 minus 189 to the nearest 100. So for this, first you have to find the nearest number. Don't do the calculation here. Don't do the calculation here. First calculate the nearest 100 number. So here you can see 523. So 523 belongs to 500 and 600. So what is the mid of 500 600? So it is 550. Now you have to compare this mid number to the given number. Here it is 523, here it is 550. So 523, because it is less than 550, so this 523 will belong to this first part. So this is here you can put the value 523. Now this 523, it is near to 500, not to the 600. So here it is 500 written. See here you can see 500, 523 nearest, it is 500. Now the next number, it is 189. So 189 belongs to between 100 and 200. So what is the mid of the 100 200? It is 150. So here you can see that 189, it is greater than 150. 189, it is greater than 150. So 189 will be in the second part of this number line. So here you can see that 189, it is near to 200, not 200. So it is near to 200. So the nearest of 189 will be 200. Now here you have to put the subtraction sign, then do the calculation. 0 minus 0 is equals to 0, 0 minus 0 is equals to 0, and 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. So you have to write this all things in the column and the rows. So this is the way to do the calculation to the nearest 100. Now the next question I am explaining here, that is question number C, where you can see 809. So 809, it is less than 850, because it is less than 850. Why I am comparing this number to 850? Because 809, it will between 800 or 900, because it is 809, that is greater than 800 and less than 900. So it is 800 and 900, and the mid number, it is 850. So I am comparing the given number with 850. Now 809 will belong to the first part of this number line. So this 809 will be near to 800, not to 900. So here what you will write, 800. The next, it is 199, because 199, it will belong between 100 200, and the mid, it is 150. So you can observe that 150, it is less than 199. So 199, it is greater, so it will be it will take its space in the second part of the number line. So 200 will be the nearest 100 of 199. So subtract here 200. So as we will subtract, so 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0, 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. So the answer will be 600. The answer will be 600 for this question. The answer will be 600 for this question. And don't write anything here, and don't forget to put the minus sign also. One more question I'm going to explain here, so see again. Question number I. So here you can see question number I, 963, because 963, it will be between 900 and 1000, or you can say 1000. So the mid number of 900 and 1000 is equals to 950. 950. So 963, because it is greater than 950, so it will belong in the second part of the number line. 963, so it is near to 1000, not to 900. So the nearest of 963 will be 1000. And how will draw the column? Ones, tens, 100 and 1000, because 1000 is a 4-digit number. Now the second, it is 1405, 405, so it will be between 400 and 500. And the mid number, it is 450. And here you can see that 405, it is less than 450, so it will be come to the near to the 400, not to 500. So the nearest of 405 will be 400. And when we will subtract 400 from 1000, or you can say 1000, so 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, and from this 100 place you can see that you can't subtract 4 from 0, because 4, it is greater than 0, and the upper digit always should be greater than the lower digit, so you can't subtract. So what you will do, you will take carry 1 from the 1000 place. So now it will become 1000. So 1000 minus 400 is equals to 600. So your answer will be 600. Don't put to mention this minus sign here. So I hope you will like the video, and watch it, and do your exercise 3D. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye. Good night.